had a nervous breakdown. I obviously, I'm crying, I'm like hurting, I'm in pain. I'm thinking, oh my gosh, everything, you just start thinking everything that's in there, everything that it costs to have this place, everything that we have to go through to just have it. And knowing that you don't have a place, and my kids thinking that they're going to come home the next day. They woke up and they're like, when are we going to go home? This was a guest house here. So my niece was living here with us in the guest house. This was the entrance to the kitchen. So this was our kitchen. That was our refrigerator there. So that was a door. This was our door to our main home. And then the back were kids' room. We had another guest room, bathrooms. Everything's gone. It was time that it looked like the wind was pushing it back. Yeah. And then I said, well, maybe we just keep it and it was contained over there. But then when I saw that it was like moving it over here, I'm like, we got to go. Yeah. We got to get out of here.